All right, so let's say that you have this function f of x equals 2 to the x power. That's the basic parent function. That's sort of your beginning point. Look at what's changed from 2 to the x to our new function g to the x is, g of x equals 2 to the x plus 4. So all you're focused on is how did 2 to the x change to 2 to the x plus 4. If the change is up here in the little exponent, that just means it's going to move left or right. Left or right. And then the last thing you want to think about is that if it's in the exponent, it's going to do the opposite of what you expect. I mean, I see x plus 4 and I think, well, if it's left or right, plus 4 sounds like it's going to the right. It's actually going to do the opposite. It's going to move to the left 4 units. So 4 units left. And that just means like that these key points here are going to move 4 units left. So this one, for instance, 1, 2, 3, 4 will be here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. And so generally you can just say it's still gonna approach 0, right? That's still the same horizontal asymptote. And oh my goodness, we'll just imagine that I could sketch that really closely. But you're sliding it over. It is a translation, and translations are simply sliding it around. And it only goes left 4 units. It doesn't go up, down, or right. It just goes left 4. So the domain is still all real numbers, negative and positive infinity. The range is still from 0, approaching 0 to infinity. So we'll say that it approaches 0. And then the horizontal asymptote is still that y is equal to 0. So, yep, same. All right. Hope that helps you. See you next time.